We're seeing a train from Hoboken to Gladstone, pass by Mountain Station now. Where's A3 Okay, 1483 is at the back, but I didn't catch any of the other numbers. Sorry. We're now at Mountain Station, seeing train that is 6:45 from Hoboken to Dover, pass by now. I mean, no, not pass by. 6:45 is actually making a stop at Mountain Station. Anyways, A3 EMU unit number 1395. It's made of unit 1394 and single unit 1327 is at the rear. And now train number, I think this is 432 from Gladstone to Hoboken is going to be passing by as well. Single unit 1323 is leading, and Mary's Pale's 1527 and 1526 are at the rear.